The holidays are done and it's time for some cleaning. This time, I'm up to investigating cleaning hacks using toothpaste. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the marker off the wood. Wipe the toothpaste off with a damp cloth. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff tarnish off the silver. Rinse the toothpaste off and the tarnish will be gone. Place some regular toothpaste on a towel or microfiber cloth and rub on the soap scum. Rinse the toothpaste off and your soap scum will be gone. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the screen. Use a damp cloth to clean the toothpaste off and your screen is clean. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff tarnish off of copper. Rinse off the toothpaste and the tarnish is gone. This also works to polish chrome as well. Rinse your plastic out. Rub the inside of the plastic with toothpaste. Rinse out the toothpaste and wash. The odor will be gone. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the crayon away from doors, tables, and walls. Wipe off the toothpaste with a damp cloth. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the stainless. Rinse off the toothpaste and watch it shine. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the CD or DVD. Rinse the CD or DVD under the faucet and then use a cotton cloth to lightly dry them. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff at your faucet. Rinse the faucet off and it will shine. Just finished cutting an onion? Rub some toothpaste on your hands. While you're at it, wash your jewelry. Clean silver chains and necklaces too. Rinse your hands and they'll be free of odors. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff your sink. Rinse the toothpaste away and your sink will be deodorized and shine. I hope this inspires you to try some toothpaste cleaning of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.